Welcome guys to the part 2 of the Amla bag. Now that the base is completed, let's continue with the rest of the bag. Now let's take the running wire, leave about 10 centimeter and make a fold there. Now you can see that the rest of the wires in the base will be crossing each other. So let's take this running wire along with the first wire that is running upwards like I'm showing you, and then join them together to make the Amla knot. Similarly, we are going to make Amla knots wherever the wires are crossing each other. Okay, so the first Amla knot is done. Now let's make the second one. So guys, this is the part 2 of the Amla bag. For those of you who haven't watched the part 1, there is a pop-up appearing on the screen right now which will take you to the part 1 video. So make sure that you watch that before you continue with this video. If this is your first time making a bag, then I would advise you to not start with this Amla knot bag since it can be a bit tricky. You can first go to my playlist where I have shown you other simpler bag tutorials. So you can start with those before you move on with this Amla type bag so that you will have a better understanding. Okay, so now let's complete the row. Once you complete your bag and you're on Instagram, please do upload and tag Basketora Studio. I would love to see how you've done your bag. We're gonna turn the corner of the bag now. So make sure that you do the knot tightly and adjust all the gaps like I'm showing you. If you're interested to showcase the bags which you have made following my videos, then please do tag me on Instagram, because in the future I'm planning to collate all your bag pictures and share it with the Basketora community just to motivate others. Once you complete every knot, remember to tighten it well. So if you're doing it properly, you will see the bag taking its shape. We've reached the end of the first row. So now to proceed to the second row, we must do a ladder knot. So let me explain to you how to do that. So let's loosen the next knot and tuck in this wire backwards like I'm showing you. Make sure that you follow the video closely to understand. But if you've got doubts, then you can always drop them in the comment box so that I can explain it to you again. Okay, so we are done with the ladder knot now. So like how we had completed the first row, you can make another 4 to 5 rows depending on the height that you would like. See how beautifully the Amla pattern is looking. So now let's just join these two knots. You can just follow me. One last step is to cut the remaining wires, leaving certain length, and then to tuck them backwards into the bag. But if you do not know how to do this, there is a link appearing on the screen right now where I've shown you stepwise how to tuck in for a neat finish. So you can just watch that video and do it over here. And for the handle, take a small piece of the wire and tuck them in sideways. So we are done with the bag. Be proud since you have made this from the scratch. I'll see you next week with another bag tutorial. Take care, Basketorians.